Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. So today I have Valentine's Day look number 2. Super pretty, super freaking pretty. So I got asked to do like a red smoky eye, so this is the version that I did. I live, okay? It's super sexy, kind of grungy. Yes, everything that I wanted for Valentine's Day. So I love it. Yes. But other than that, if you do want to see how I got this makeup, go ahead and keep watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let's do some makeup. All right, so I'm gonna start this look off with my face already done and jump into the eyes. This is the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette. I'm gonna take that light shade and just set my eyes. I'm gonna put it all over both my lids. Then I'm gonna take this reddish brown shade and then just start my crease. So now I'm gonna make sure to blend it underneath my eyes. I just wanna pull that whole eye together as one. Next, this is the Venus XL palette by Lime Crime. I'm gonna take this shade Burnt Gold and just deepen my crease. The next shade I'm going to use is Aphrodite, and I'm going to put that in my crease and then drag that underneath my eyes as well. Next I'm going to blend this out with a brush that had no color. I'm going to just make sure everything is super blended. Next, I'll be using this shade Botticelli, I believe is how you pronounce it. And I'm going to just put that in the outer corners and then underneath my eyes as well. So now I'm just adding more pigment to the Botticelli on my outer corners. Now I'm going to use this Jumbo Liner Pencil by NYX in the color Rust. And I'm going to just put that on the inner corners of my lids. Next, I'm going to use the shade Eden to go on top of that. I love the color this turned. It looks so freaking cute. So now I'm going to go back into Botticelli and then just put that underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to go back in with Burnt Gold and then just blend everything together on my crease. Now I'm taking a brush that has no product and I'm going to just blend out right underneath my brows. Now I'm going to blend everything one last time and then the eyes will be done. I meant the eyeshadow would be done, but now I'm going to do my liner. This is NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and then this is the NK Bold White Eyeliner, and I'm going to just put that in my waterline. And then I'm going to go over this with the color Aphrodite. And now I'm going to blend that into the rest of my shadow under my eye. Lastly, I'll be putting my lashes on. These are the EYELLURE marquis lashes, and then that's Aquaphor chapstick. Bomb, super bomb. And then this is brown liner from NK, and I'm going to just line my lips. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Candy Slick glowy lip color gloss. This is in the color Natural Nude. Super cute. I love this, and it's so creamy. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. Yeah, this is the look. Valentine's Day, look number 2. All right, so if you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to subscribe, okay? I got more videos coming. So I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.